Hi, hello. In this video, we will discuss about import and load data page. Let's get started. This is the same slide, just that under data exchange, you have 4 pages. In this video, we are going to discuss this page. When you click on this one, import and load data, you will be landing into this page. So this is in this page, you have different options if you see, and this two options we have already discussed in the previous videos and our recent load file page video. In this we will discuss more on this import file option and also the different columns here. Whenever you trigger any load, it will show different values when you will be seeing in the next slide. Okay, okay, go to next slide. So when you click on this import file button, you will be prompting this window. You can select file from local file, or you can select file from web center content. So when you click on this, it will you can load file from your own system. Okay. So when you select this one, it will give you all the files that are currently existing in the server. Okay. So you can select any one and click submit, load it. And if you see here, you have different option, review parameters and submit now. So here you can change the parameters before submitting it for import and load, or you can directly submit it if you don't want to change any parameters. Let's click on this review parameters. Uh, just selected file here, so one sample file worker.zip, and clicked on review parameters, and this is what the screen that you can see. So it will have all the parameters and the process details. So important load, whenever you click on that submit, it is going to submit some ESS job. Okay, so if you see the description, it is going to load data into stage table and then optionally to load table. If it is valid data, then it will load into the actual tables. Okay, and other parameters, whenever you load a file, it will automatically generate content ID. This is the reference, key reference for load. And file actions are import and load, and you'll also have import only option under this drop down. So whenever you want to prepare a file and you just want to check the formatting and other attributes validations, then you can select that import only option here and submit that. So it will just check the import formats and other things. It will not load into any tables. Okay, and this is same as the percentages. You can define the percentages, input percentage and load percentage. And these two are threadings. So this is basically used for performance issues. Whenever if you try to load a file and you're facing any performance issue with any file, you can try increasing these threads based on your pod size. So basically when you load the file, and this will divide the objects into these 8 threads, and it will run the parallelly to load the data. Okay, so it is all depends on your pod size. You can increase this size. The default one is always 8, but you can also change these default values in the configuration page. I'll tell you that in the next video. Okay, and okay, when you click after clicking on the submit button, you will see this way. You will see the line added. So process is submitted and the import is status and load status. There are two different status. So import is nothing but it's going to check formatting, and if you have added all the required attributes, or if you have it is basically kind of checking the file sizes, and it will just map to that view. In the last video you saw, right, view business object attributes and all. So it will just kind of validating with that setup. That's it. And once it is everything is correct, and then it will try to load the data into tables. So basically a functional validation will happen in this step. So this step is for data validation and this is for functional validation. Okay. And the percentages will be showing here, and the number of lines got loaded and number of lines got failed, and total objects. So object is nothing but, so there could be parent and child records sending on the same file. Suppose you're sending one parent record, under that there are four child records. So basically the total lines are five, but the system will treat that as a single object because all the file lines are basically related to one object, so it will consider as a single object. Okay. And the same as other things, how many objects are failed, that's it. And if you see my previous slide, this is a different screenshot I placed here, but if you see my previous one, you also have this option, right? Extract failed lines. So this you can configure in the configure page, configure HCM data loader page under setup and maintenance. You can find that there. So if you configure this, you will get a list of, you can extract the error lines. Okay. And you also have this filter option. If you click on this show filters, it is going to, you're going to get this one, and there you can search for with anything, data set or content ID. This will useful, suppose you have you are loading continuously from multiple files, so you want to find search for as one, so you can check it from here. Other options add is, you can add any other attributes to filter out. That's all for this video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.